So welcome to part 4. We're finishing up the books. I have this magazine, it's volume 3, edition 2, with whatever this is. It's a German Shepherd. Same with this one, except this one's volume 16, so yeah. And then this is the only other magazine looking one that I have. Meet the German Shepherd, American Kennel Clubs. So yeah. Then I have this dog agility book, because I did dog agility with Zach for a while. I have this book. What is my dog thinking? Oh, I got this. My mom just got it for me, so I have no idea where she got this. I got from PetSmart. These two I got from Petco, I'm pretty sure. My aunt got me this for Christmas. So yeah, I haven't read it yet. I got this AKC Dog Book 20th edition. I got it from a friend. Thank Heaven for Dogs and Other Little Pleasures. I got this for Christmas one year from my aunt. Dogs We Love. I got this from my best friend. I got this Smithsonian Handbooks Dogs. It's got like every dog breed, even weird breeds that we haven't heard of today. This was my friend's, and I kind of forgot to give it back to her, and then she was like, you can just have it. Kiss, Guide to Living with a Dog. So yeah, I got this for Christmas one year. I have this German Shepherd Kennel Club book, and I got it for Christmas. I got this at Books A Million 1 year ago, or something like that. And it's a Siberian Husky one. And I got this one because that's what I would have named. Because I used to only love Siberian Huskies. That was my dream dog, still is. And I will get one whenever I'm older. I just can't right now. I am almost 18, but still. This is a German Shepherd book, Smart Owner's Guide, by Dog Fancy. I got this huge encyclopedia of dogs, over 350 breeds, and so yeah, I'm happy about that. I have this dog book, and I got this at a rummage sale at Walmart, and it was in the for sale, everything's for sale. The clearance. It was only $2. My brother gave me his Beagles book because he used to want a beagle really badly, and so he gave me a book. And then I have the last book is my Welsh Corgis Pembroke and Cardigan, and it's by Barron's. And my dog got this for me for Christmas one year. Haha, you know. Okay, so now it's time to move on to the stuffed animals. This bed is filled. So let's get started. So we'll start over here. So we'll start with my Toys R Us German Shepherd. My Toys R Us German Shepherd. Yeah, I got him from Toys R Us, obviously. I don't know when I got him. I just know I got him. Got my Webkinz American German Shepherd. And I got him at a store near me that I can't tell you about because it's only near me. I got this little Ty Beanie Courage Courage from Makitas237, and I love him so much. And then I have, whoa, if I take one, they might all fall. And then I have this bigger one, and I got this one off eBay. I keep the names, usually if they come with a name, just keep it. I hardly ever. Oh, well, that one doesn't have a name, and then that American German Shepherd is just Delgado. I have this Maione, and Maione Tots. I got this at a fair in a booth while I was showing my heifer. This one didn't have a name either. I don't normally name things. I'm just happy to have them, except for Webkins. I have one of my signature German Shepherds, and this one's name is Greta, after a dog that was in my neighborhood. And this was before I had a German Shepherd, so. Here's my second signature German Shepherd, and this one's name, this paw's a little messed up. This one's name is Delgado, too. Here's my Webkins Husky, and this one's name is Snow. Here's my Jingle from Hallmark I got for Christmas. Oh yeah, my signature German Shepherds that I showed you are from eBay, and one's from whenever, or two of them will be from whenever they first came out. And that Bell's from Christmas. I got this. It's like one of those that you turn on and it moves if it had batteries, and it barks. And her name came with a name, and her name's Jenny. So, did you hear it? That's supposed to make. I have this Nat and Jewels ornament. And I got this in Colorado, and this one doesn't have a name. Because like I said, I don't name things. I have the small signature German Shepherd. And this one's name is Alpha. So yeah. I have this, the Build-A-Bear Peppermint Puppy. I'm not even sure. I don't even remember what it is. What the name of it is. But I named her Winter, and my friend got her for me. I got this Build-A-Bear Border Collie from my friend, and I named her Belle. I have the Snow Dogs Mac. I got this one off eBay. I have the Snow Dogs Demon, and this one came with the tag. And by the way, I just keep their names too. Here's my other Husky, Maya. This one was my first Webkins Husky, and I got this one when it came out. Here's my Jingle plush, and I got this for Christmas a couple years ago, or whenever Jingle first came out. I got this from a dance I went to with my daddy. He bought it for me. I got this for my birthday. It's a Build-A-Bear. My friend got it for me. So yeah. Here's the Peppermint Puppy. I count Webkins dogs too, but I'm not counting wolves stuff, so. And this one's name is Yikes, but I'm counting like puppies, Webkins, and stuff like that. Anything that's a dog. Then I have my Paws plush, Santa Paws. And there's Disney Store. And I got this one off eBay for only $19. So that's pretty good considering if you see one now, they're like $90. I got this Rosa plush from Disney Movie Rewards. So yeah, I got her with when the Beverly Hills Chihuahua 3 came out. I have the small Build-A-Bear German Shepherd. I have the smallest ornaments of Belle. I have 2 bells. And then I have Jingle. And I got these all from Walgreens. This is a dog plush. It is made. My friend made it for me. It's very brittle, so I cannot move it. I have this little TY dog. I named it. I actually named this one. I named it Pugsley. And I got this one like a long time ago. Oh, that's actually its name. Huh. What do you know? I never even cared what the name was. I just always named it Pugsley. I have Angel from Lady and the Tramp 2. And then lastly for this video, this is my love puppy named Lovey. Who's not very clever with that name. Had her forever, so. There's W. Butt tag. So that is all for this video. So look out for part 5, I think. So yeah, bye.